Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix the error DirectX is not supported on your system for Inzoi, the game. Although it's not out, some people who have access to it and are playing it. So this video is for those of you who are playing Inzoi. Alright, so the first thing we want to do, because this is usually a driver problem, or this is a driver problem. So the first thing I want to do is check the version of our DirectX. So to do that, we will have to open the DX diag. So you press Windows and R, that is the Windows key and R. Go to DX diag, so type DX and diag. That will open the DirectX diagnostic tool, and you can see over here the DirectX version is DirectX 12. So I'm fine on that end, but just in case you have an older version, this video is useful to you. So the first solution I would show you in this video is to update your Windows. So to do that, go ahead and open settings. Now that's open, let's go to Windows Update, and we can check for updates. And once we do, we will get an update, restart your computer. Or if that doesn't work, you can also go to optional updates in advanced options. So you go to Windows Update, advanced options, optional updates, and sometimes you have driver updates there. That's based on my experience. All right. Now, if that doesn't work, if the issue still persists, you can go to Device Manager. Again, we open the Run here, and you just type in dev mgmt.msc. This will open Device Manager, and go to display adapters to see your drivers. So this is a low-end PC, so it just has integrated graphics. But then whatever it is, you right-click on it, click Update Driver to update the driver. You might not have to restart your PC, but you probably should still. Once you do that, run Inzoi again, and the problem should be fixed. If the issue still persists again, then the next and the last but not the least solution is to download the driver directly from the manufacturer's website. So you have to open any browser of your choice. Let's say you have an Intel driver. You search Intel, an Intel graphics card, whether it's ARC or UHD, Iris, there are many. Download center. So you have this Intel.com, shares Intel.com. Don't download a random, application or software into your PC. Intel.com, download Intel drivers and software. Search for a driver or your product. Let's say I have an Iris, then you see an Intel Iris XT graphics driver. There are many, so depending on what you have on your computer, you would download that. And let's say you have, an NVIDIA graphics card. You just search NVIDIA drivers. It shows NVIDIA.com, and then you go to download the official NVIDIA drivers. You should probably see this as your URL. So you can search the driver we want. There are many, just depending on your system. And last, if you have an AMD driver, so what you can do is search AMD support download drivers, and you should see amd.com. If you're amd.com, drivers and support for processors and graphics. Download drivers for Windows, for Linux. You can search the drivers you want on your graphics card, and at the end of this, restart your PC, start Inzoi again, and your problem should be fixed. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.